Alrighty, folks, we're done for today. We got maybe, I think maybe 10 more acres of corn to do, and then we're completely done. We're not taking any of our corn off to market. What we've chopped into silage and what we've harvested today, it goes into the grain silos, and then it will go to the feed grinder, then to feeding the cattle. And it's pretty much it. It's 3 minutes after 6 here. Everybody's done left. I'm the last one heading in. As usual, I'm the last one heading in, but it's been a long day. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope y'all have a good one.